Hello guys, I am Mandilake Kondile, the speaker of Dr. A.P. Xuma Local Municipality, Engcobo. And the former student yasefalo Senior Secondary School, indenza loo nto ndibe alumni yaphaya. I want just to take this opportunity yoku congratulate my high school with the achievement that you have achieved, the percentage that you got, the bachelors, the distinctions, and everything. I want just to say to the teachers, the school management, the principal, big up guys, you have worked well. We are proud of you. We know that it is not easy. There are challenges in terms of producing good results. We are with you. When I have chance, I will visit the school and motivate the learners and the senior staff of the school. Xa nisenza yonke into funeka niyazi uba ndikunye nani. Proud ngelona hlobo ngeso skolo because I am who I am today because of Ifalo Senior Secondary School. I will always be with you. Nalonyaka, we must work together, trying to make sure that we improve as a result ezikhoyo ngoku. To the principal and the staff, otishala, big up guys. Thank you very much from the speaker of the Dr. A.P. Xuma.